Okay, so we've clicked on this world here. We're going to add our background. So what we do is we actually click on the color, the button next to the color. We're going to change it to environment texture. Here we're going to open, we're going to look for the file, which is our HDRI. So for me, it's HDRI skies. I don't know if you can see that. And what that'll do is that will add a background in for us. Actually, if I click on, let me see. If I click on this one, it should show us with the background, and it might be a little bit slow. There it goes there. So there it is with our background. Yeah, so that's working quite nicely. And now all we need to do is animate this out. Just send it out as an animation. So if we click on, I think it's rendering. And let me see. We're looking at how it goes out. So let me see. Find the correct one. Nope. Let me just go through these one more time. See if I can find it. Render. This one maybe. No, not that one. This one. There we go. No. 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 I can't remember where to find it. Let me see. It's not in that one. Here it is. Okay, so sorry, on this one here with the printer looking thing. So on the printer thing, we're going to go down to here. All right, we're going to choose a place where we're going to send that. So for me, I'm going to put it on my desktop. So I'm going to click on my desktop, go accept. That's the output. We are going to go to file format and we're going to go AVI JPG, I believe. Yeah, API JPG. Okay, and we can leave everything else as it is. So you just need to change that one thing, just where you're doing it and where is it going to. So we just go up to here to render, and we go render animation. That will work for us, and this is where I'm going to stop it.